Hi YouTube land, we're back with another video. Today we've got a brand new Stryker SR 955 HP right out of the box. We've converted her over and got her running here, trying to get her warmed up. Right out of the box we're doing 63 watts peak power, close to about 85 maybe 90% modulation. That's right out of the box. So and it looks good. It's good and clear. That's 5 megahertz. That's the same as a 50 megahertz span right there. So it's good and clear on the right out of the box. These radios are great right out of the box, but they can be improved, and that's what we're going to do. So we're going to work on this and this transmit side and get it set up like we like it. Not so much more power. They don't need to be doing any more power. Just make it a little more stable, and then go in and check out the receive, and we can get into the receive and see what we got to do there. So maybe nothing. The last one I didn't have to do anything with, so it was good. So anyway, just say the engineers get it right sometimes. So all right, well, I'll be back in just a few. All right, we're back with the Stryker 955. We've got her hooked to the machine now. We're going to turn the mic gain off, and we're going to look. Got you about a 12 watt dead key, crystal clear reference. That's about, it's a 50 megahertz span, at negative 20 dBm. Crystal clear. So we can bring that out even further. That's the limit, which is 100 megahertz span all the way across. Looks good. That's 12 watt dead key. I'll roll this up, and about 61 watts PEP power. Looking good on the scope. Same thing on the spectrum analyzer. Crystal clear. So we've got that done. 61. So you're keying 12, modulating about 60. You're keying 12.43 on the dead key, and modulating 61 watts PEP power. So that's right at a that's pretty close to as you can get to a 4-to-1. Now, you know, sometimes it works out perfect like that, sometimes it don't, just depending on the radio. Radio's good and warm, so working good. So anyway, we're going to get this receive checked out and see what we need to do to this receive. If anything, these radios are pretty good, solid from the factory, but you know, if we have to do a component change here or there, that's fine too. So we'll be back with the 955. We're coming in 12 dB sun at negative 98. So we're going to do something a little different today. We all know that this thing will go 120 dB down, no problem, and low noise floor. We're actually going to listen to this receiver. So I'm going to put the phone down for a second while we switch over to the receiving antenna coax. So just stand by. Hearing some pretty good stuff coming in there a while ago, so maybe it fell out. Maybe that was a bad idea. That's channel 28. It's got a really quiet receiver. I'm underneath some power lines over here, and just about any other radio, it would be up there over S9. So, and we got the noise breaker and everything on. So. Alright, well, so much for that idea. There's nothing in there. Alright, we're going to pause the radio video. We're going to get this radio back together, and we'll do an overview. All right, we're back with the Stryker 955, and we changed the display to green. We're going to do a little close proximity listening here.
Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio check.
Like we said a while ago, that's 12 watts carrier power. Hello, radio. We're modulating about 67 on the peak there. Actually, it's doing a little less than 67. Just hit 67 on the peak, on the first peak when you key up. That's the way them LP100As do one sometimes. But hello, radio. Check, check. Modulating about 60 watts. So.
Oh, we got a little echo on. You can hear it. And like I say, it's going to feed back a little bit because that's what's, just so close.
But let's turn that back down. Hello, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1. Audio check, 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 check. We're still doing about 66 watts, no problem there, and everything's looking good. And 50, we've got a 50 megahertz span going right there, and it's clear as a bell. So anyway, we're gonna roll this over to sideband real quick, and let's turn off this echo. You need to do it like that. I think that turned the echo off. I don't think we need upper sideband. Should I just go to upper sideband? Yeah.
Hello, 1 2.
Alright, so we'll turn this up.
Hello, 1 2.
Oop, too high. Squealing.
Hello, 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1. Audio, radio, CQ, CQ. Hello, radio, CQ, CQ.
Oh, working great on sideband too. So anyway, showing about 63 watts on sideband. Hello, radio, check, check. We're not dead center here, so that's why it sounded a little off, but y'all get the idea. Anyway, we'll run it through lower sideband. 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1. Lower sideband.
I'll
turn the volume up a little bit.
Hello, 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1. Audio, radio, check, check.
A little too much. Like I say, we're not dead center on the clarifier.
Hello, 1 2. Audio check.
Anyway, sounding good. So anyway, that pretty much concludes the I was going to show you the monitor feature on this radio.
Hello, 1 2 3 4. That's monitoring on sideband, which I really like, that you can monitor your signal on sideband
like that. And then you got AM. Turn the echo on.
Hello, 1 2. Hello, check, check. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Audio check, check.
So like I say, it's working good and sounding good too. So turn the power all the way down. Turn this monitor down. We're about 2 watts. Hello, 1 2. I'll let you hear it there. Hello, 1 2. Oh, let me get it back on AM.
Hello, 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1.
I don't have it turned up very much. This don't have anything hooked to it, so it's kind of,
It's in the mud right there. But anyway, it's 2 watts modulating about,
hit 10 on the peak, but it's holding about 8 watts. So 2 to 8 all the way down, 12 to about 62, 63, 12 and a half to 63 all the way up is what the radio's doing power-wise. Now, that's on my power supply that's doing 13.8 volts. So that's a 13.8 volt supply, 30 amp supply that I have this on for reference. If your vehicle charging at 14.1 or more, or if you hook it up to more, it may show more. Everything's different. So, but right there, it's clean and spectrally pure and doing its thing. So we're gonna get this thing boxed up and ready to go out. And we got a gentleman in Virginia that's ready for it. So y'all have a good one. Be safe, be careful, and be kind. Got a lot coming up, as we always. Just stay tuned. We're rolling them out as quick as we can.